Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload Microsoft Excel file to Google Drive using your mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to open my Google Drive application. Okay, and I'm going to upload Excel file to this Google Drive. If we want to do that, we have to click on this plus button or this new option, and then we can select upload, and you can choose Excel file from your phone that you want to upload to your Google Drive. And here I'm just going to select the documents, and I'm going to open the documents folder. And for example, I'm going to upload this Excel file to my Google Drive. We just need to click this file. And then now, as you can see that the file is being uploaded, and we just need to wait until this file has completely uploaded to this Google Drive. Okay, this is the file I have just uploaded to my Google Drive. Alright guys, and that's all the way to upload Microsoft Excel file to Google Drive using our mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.